go in Bethlehem. So the Holy Bible said, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. While shepherds watch the flags by night to see the bright new shining star, they hear a choir sing a song. The music seems to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today. A man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Yeah. Once aglow, all the bells rang out with tears of joy and laughter. People shout to let everyone know there is hope for all to find peace. Oh my Lord, you said you stand to save us, oh my Lord. Your better said you gave us, oh my Lord. That same mean that these labors on labyrinths once more. At the oh my Lord, when on the great defensive, oh my Lord, I go in all the quantity, oh my Lord. They got all around it and to see me, him in a door. Oh my